I'm back, guys. It is the 30th. Me and Weston are finally able to slip out together. We're up in the Midland County. We just sat down. It's about 11 o'clock. We have 4 or 5 toms to the south of us in the field.
Yeah, there's a woodpecker behind us.
Yeah, and woodpecker. So we're gonna hang tight here, see if we can split them. It was with quite a few hens and jakes. So nonetheless, we're out here. Appreciate you guys for watching. Keep you guys posted. Alright guys, we got one goblin to the south of us. We got one behind us, but I don't know. It sounded like they were quite a ways away. So we're just gonna hang tight for a little bit. You didn't?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
I didn't.
You didn't? No. So, I don't know. Jeff was saying that there's one that's a tom that's been just by itself. So, we'll see. Yeah. Weston, be careful. So, I got my new shotgun. It's a Winchester SXB. Shooting a 3.5-inch turkey load. It's gonna hurt. And Weston forgot his earmuffs. So we're gonna give her a go. Alright guys, I'm set up in the tent blind now. I got one goblin to the west of me. Sounds like a little ways away. I got a deer right out here just standing along the edge of the pines. Not sure where that turkey went this morning, but we didn't have any luck yesterday. Weston was pretty bummed out, so sprinkling a little bit. I'm hoping maybe once this rain stops, it's supposed to stop in like 30 minutes. So I'm hoping they'll fire up a little bit after that, but that one's still gobbling. So hang tight with me, guys. We'll see what happens. All right, I got 2 deer out in front of me, so I gotta be still, but I got a gobbler in the pines. A hen just walked through, went to that, and then the gobbler just fired up in the woods, so, and he sounded close, so I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled. Alright, I don't know what happened there. He was a lot closer than I thought. There's no Jake right there. I don't know, guys. He looked hurt, but he didn't go down, so I don't know what happened. My ears are ringing. There's still those Jakes in place. attempt number 2. I got Weston with me. We got 3 Toms and a Jake out in this field behind us. So we're gonna see if we can get a shot. I think I was just too far last time. It was 47 yards or something like that, and I shot low. So we're gonna give it a go. It's like 4 o'clock. So we'll see what happens. We bumped a hen when we came out here, so we'll see what happens. Stick with us, guys. Oh, they're close. They're close. I just heard one butt. I don't know, buddy. I just heard one butt. Shh, shh, shh. Here. Right behind it. No, sit down. It doesn't have a red head. Sit down, please. You can see him on the camera. Let's look at this way. He might see us. There's one moving, right? Dropped him. Let's go, buddy. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all of them still out there. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Look at all the tops. There's a ton of them out there. Me and Weston just smoked one. Yeah. It is a nice one, too. Those 3, there was 4 gobblers, Weston. There was 2 that came in on our right and 2 on our left. Oh, that hurt my shoulder. Guys, I'm shooting a new, I think I explained earlier. Here, sit down, buddy. I think I explained earlier, I'm shooting this new SXP Winchester, and I'm shooting a 3.5 out of it. Yeah, it's flopping around. You can come over to this window, buddy, if you want to watch. Oh, sorry. So anyways, I'm shooting this SXP Winchester 3.5. Oh my God, it rocks your shoulder. But yeah, we freaking got one down. It was like, let's go, buddy.
Let's go.
Heck yeah. I can't wait for you to do this next year. Anyways, guys, so when I missed one the other day, it ended up being like 50 yards, I think, and my sight was off, so I shot it today, and yeah, it was on today. So we're gonna go out and check this bird out. Let's go.
Let's go check this boy out.
Yeah. He was strutting too when I shot him.
So he like got scared.
Look at that, he's got a nice beard on him. I can't believe how many turkeys came in.
You shot him like right there.
Shot him right in the head.
That's the spot. There's like a whole bunch of feathers.
Yeah.
And I found a huge feather from him.
Yeah, he's got a nice beard on him, buddy.
Yeah. You dropped him.
Nice spurs. Probably 3/4 inch spurs. I don't know, 10-inch beard maybe? 9-inch beard?
I can't wait to eat it. I'm so excited. What happens if it starts flopping? Can I take a picture?
Let's check this baby out. He's got a nice beard on him.
Some nice feathers. Guys, he shot him right in the head. Like almost in the brain.
All right, come here, buddy. Alright guys, we got her done. Me and Weston, second attempt. I missed my first one, but
He got the
done.
second one.
Yeah, we had 4 come in.
Yeah.
4 birds come in. I was pretty happy Weston was there with me. Appreciate you guys for watching. As always, make sure you smash that like button for us. Don't forget to subscribe. We got some cool videos coming up. We got to get Irvy and Scott a bird, and we'll be all set for the Gladiators.
Woo.
Thanks, guys.